Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're tackling SAP S4HANA, one of the biggest ERP systems out there. I'm James, a tech consultant with over a decade of experience, and I've got to be honest, I'm not a fan. I'll tell you why I dislike it, what it does well, and stick around, how to make it work for you. Let's dive in. First off, no bias here. I'm with Upskeeling, a consultancy focused on finding the right tech for your business. I've worked with SAP forever, and while S4HANA has its perks, there are some real issues I can't overlook. Here's why. Number one, it's rigid. S/4HANA is great for big companies needing standardization, but if you value flexibility or run diverse operations, it's a nightmare. It forces uniformity, which can mess up workflows and cause huge change management problems. In today's fast world, that's a strike against it. Next, forced upgrades. SAP's dropping support for older systems like ECC by 2030, pushing everyone to S4HANA. Sure, they can't support old stuff forever, but companies still paying maintenance fees feel cheated. It's vendor lock-in with a deadline, and that's not cool. Third, complexity. S/4HANA is built for giants, but it's so complicated most businesses struggle to use it. Plus, some older SAP features, like advanced planning, aren't as good in S4. You're stuck picking between a dying system or a new one with gaps. Rough choice. Last, it's not one system anymore. SAP used to build everything in-house, but S4HANA bundles stuff like Ariba, SuccessFactors, and Concur. They call it integrated, but it's just a best-of-breed mashup. You could do better mixing your own tools. Now, it's not all doom. S/4HANA's fast, powerful, and perfect for huge enterprises, but those wins don't fix the flaws. So, how do you love S4HANA? 1. Get an independent review to spot gaps before you jump in. 2. Upgrade on your schedule, not SAP's. 2027 isn't your boss. 3. Train your team to handle the beast. Check our free S4HANA guide below for more. That's my take. What's yours? Love S4HANA or hate it? Comment below. If this helped, like and subscribe the best SAP learning and implementation provider, the Upskeeling, for more tech truth bombs. See you next time.